The ProSlip Way, as we've already discussed, is the use of 3 different lubricants for the 3 different lubrication areas on a brake caliper. The brake caliper pin needs a lubricant which is very low friction, so it moves under the extremely small micro movements of the caliper, resists fretting corrosion, that's the pitting on the caliper surface, is compatible with the rubber boot, and is high temperature. The lubricant you need for brake pads is an extreme pressure lubricant. The forces between the brake pad and the caliper are many thousands of pounds, and you need a lubricant which can resist that, can resist washout, oxidation, and stays in contact with the pad and the caliper and reduces noise, vibration and harshness. Lastly, you have the zone where the pad sits in the clip. This needs to be a low friction dry lubricant, otherwise it will get washed out easily, with a significant antioxidant package to stop the corrosion. The reason the ProSlip Way works is because it facilitates the release of the caliper when you take your foot off the brake. If the caliper pin and the brake clip are not properly lubricated, what will happen is you'll get brake drag. This means when you take your foot off the brake, you get a residual amount of grip left. This is because the caliper piston hasn't completely released the brake.